Welcome to another video. I am Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters, and today I am going to be showing you a 1957 Underwood leader. Most of the leaders are like black, but there's a few in this teal blue color, and it's so fun. It's a basic machine, and so like it doesn't have tab or anything like that. So I would say this is probably good for those of you who are new to typewriters as well, and you're just looking for something easy to use. Okay, let's show you how to use it. So back here, I'm going to flip this up. This is how you set your margins. And so you're going to kind of just push down and drag. Okay. There's your margin. So both sides are there. It's easier to do, obviously, when it's sitting down. Okay, this is your carriage area and your roller. This is kind of like a back plate, kind of holds that paper, but you could also, if you needed to write notes on your paper, kind of push that paper against that and use that to write on. These little silver sliding things are gonna hold your paper taut against the roller. And that way, if you don't have anything like that, either a bar or something like that to hold your paper against the roller, you'll hear like the sounds of this slap, slap, slap when you type, because there's air behind that paper and there's a little bit of space, and so that paper is slapping against the roller. This is your paper release. It releases the tension on the paper in case you need to adjust it or take it out. Carriage release, press down. There's your carriage release. Now, normally you would hear a bell. This one doesn't have a bell. And that bell is going to tell you, hey, you're at the end of your margin, where your margin is set. So my margin is set right here. And normally when you get to that, it would ding, but it's not. This is your return handle. Okay. And this is probably your line selector. Yep, 1, 2, I think. Yeah, that feels like it. Oh no, that's the release for the roller. So I'm trying to think. I'm not gonna show you how to take it out. I don't like showing that because there's no need for it, but in case you do load paper that has like a check mark box on it, or it's lined, you just want to get it lined up just right, you may need to flip that forward to kind of release that roller. Otherwise, when you turn it, it clicks every half of a line, and you're kind of limited. And so that is what that is for. Okay, I'm going to tilt this carriage over to the left. I'm going to pop open the top. It's on hinges, and open it up, and inside, so this takes a one color ribbon, and black is the most common. However, you can purchase other colors like on Etsy or eBay and stuff like that. So, but just keep in mind, it's a one color ribbon. It takes a 2-inch spool, and make sure the ribbon is 1/2 inches. So to change it out, you just pull it out like that, and you would pull it out of the guide wires there, and then pop a new one in. Now you'll notice there's 2 pins. There's a big one and a little one that stick up. Big one goes in the middle, and the little one goes in one of those 4 holes. And then you just pop it down. You might have to jiggle it. There we go, it went right in. And then make sure your ribbon is threaded through those guide wires, and there'll be a link to the product. It may be this exact one, it may not, but it'll link to a product listing where you can look at the photos and save or download that photo of this escapement area if you need to for reference. Okay, so also, when you get to the end of the spool, it is not the end of the ribbon. You need to reverse it. Let me close it. You reverse it by using this knob right here. and you just flip it back and forth. Now, some ribbons come with an auto reverse grommet, which kind of catches a little link, and I don't know if this typewriter works with auto reverse ribbons or not, but ours do not have the grommet, so you have to manually reverse. So you just go back and forth, and then if there's any slack in your ribbon, you just turn it. Okay, so that's for your ribbon. All right, down here is your backspace. Backspace does not erase, it just backspaces so you can type over your mistakes. And then you'll notice this particular one has it's located in there's different symbols that are located a little bit different than other keyboards. Now your letters are going to be the same. It's a QWERTY keyboard. But there's a couple of different symbols and they're in different places. No number 1, so you use a lowercase l. And that is all there is to this one. It has no extra bells and whistles. It's very basic. This would be good for beginners or somebody like that. And if you want to see a typing demo for probably this particular one, again, check out that product listing link in the description below. And I thank you for watching. We do these videos for free to help you, and we sure appreciate your support, either through donating a cup of coffee, or we would prefer you shop our website and look for a cover or ribbon. We do have ribbons on there, and we have vintage typewriters, we have puzzles, we have pads. So any support that you can give us by shopping on our website so that we can continue to do these videos is very much appreciated. Thanks for your thumbs up, and you all have a blessed day.